there, I'm Heather with WTI. Do you ever sit down and think, wow, I should really be moving right now? Well, I found the perfect solution. This is Upaloop. And it's not just a fun name, it's a really fun but useful tool. This turns sitting into a workout. So technically, I'm exercising while checking my emails. This is multitasking at its finest. My son, who has enough energy to power a small city, uses this for his ADHD. Instead of bouncing off the walls like he typically does, he bounces on this, and we all stay sane. It's like a fidget toy, but for your whole body. It keeps both of us moving and focused, well, mostly. Surprisingly comfy, and it's built tough. And let's be honest, if it can survive my kid, it can survive anything. And also, it's sneaky good for your core strength. I may not have a six-pack yet, but I am working on it. So if you need a way to stay active while sitting, or to keep a wiggly kid from climbing the walls, this Upaloop stability seat might just be your new best friend. That's my point of view.